What's up? What's going on, everybody? It's another vehicle mukbang for all my viewers out there. Welcome back to our channel. Want to say thank you for all the subscriptions or the people that have subscribed. I don't know why I say that. So it's around 11 o'clock. I'm maybe 30 minutes away from Atlanta. You know, if you guys are subscribed to my channel, you guys know pretty much my work ethic, what I do or whatever. So today I'm going to be having, I gotta get me something to eat. I haven't ate nothing yet. This is General Tso's chicken from Walmart. We got poppers over here and then cheese sticks on the other side. Yeah. I got a comment from the house. Oh, see, you be eating good whenever you ain't at the house. Well, I don't have access to, I mean, there's good food at home too, so I just don't have access to it. I ate my sandwiches this morning, but they gave me this sport. I think she was feeling some type of way this morning. I tried to ask her how her day was. She was like, "What you want?" I'm like, "Oh my God, really? Okay." Great customer service, but whatever. We all have our days. Come on, man. Well, I'm just going. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. Just come out of there. Gotta sanitize. You know. So how's everybody doing? That's good. That's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to scoop up one of these right here. I'm just gonna be a sound test. Got a new phone too, by the way. Galaxy S10. My beautiful wife bought it for me because mine was all cracked and everything. Looked like it's been through World War II. I bought an auxiliary cord. Because this little thing right here that I have, I don't know, won't go up into my OtterBox or my case. So, I mean, you know, being on the road, I mean, I do have headphones that came with it. I think I'm going to do another video trying that out as well. Let's try one of these poppers here. Okay. Got a little crunch to it. But yeah, like I said, I think the person that was serving the food or whatever, I had hit them up early because they had just put the food out, so it's nice and fresh and hot. So yeah. If you're familiar with the area, I mean, you might be able to correct me if I'm wrong. I'm in the BD Covington area. And I know it ain't too much longer I could be in Atlanta. If I'm not already. I believe I'm in Atlanta, so. Dolce Foodie, I seen you had comment about, you know, going to Atlanta or checking out Atlanta or something like that. So yeah, it seems to be okay right now. It seems to be just fine. Somebody was trying to call, so I put it on airplane mode. But yeah, everything seems normal down here. As long as you keep yourself protected as much as possible, by all means. Everything looks normal, but I don't live down here, so I really wouldn't know. I'm not too far from it. Oh, we got a little stretch on that cheese. I'm not really gonna eat all of this. I just wanted to do a little quick sound check without the earbuds, and then I'll do another one with the earbuds just to check it out. I'm just pretty much rambling right now. I can't even remember what I all said. Picked me up a case of a little 12 pack of the black cherry water. It has some flavor, sugar free. Yep, but just got done doing what I needed to do here, and I'm about to head back to Augusta. So, like I said, I hope everybody's doing good out there. I've been checking out all these subscribers channels, and you know, they got some good content. And some of them, most of them, got better content than I do, and they don't hardly have any subscribers. Well, some of them do, but I need to learn how to edit the beginning of my video. And like Shark Girl, I've watched her videos. Shout out to you. I mean, you got some banging videos. I mean, it's like a lot of food recipes and stuff like that. She got the music in the background. You guys check her out if y'all don't know anything about her. It's Shark Girl, and I'm actually gonna try a couple of them. I like the way she does her videos. I want to learn how to do that, but I can't do live. I can't edit. I might be able to edit, but you know, razzle dazzle the channel a little bit, because you gotta have like 1,000 subscribers to go live. So everybody help me out, help the boy out, tell everybody about me, man. I'm trying to do these things. I haven't really been feeling myself today, like feeling like myself. Oh, excuse me, like appetite wise, mentally. Oh, excuse me, you guys. Went around the wrong pipe. I got my little quick in and out mask, you know. It's got the mesh filter in it. I get a lot of hate comments off of social media about those masks. Those masks don't work. I'm not saying they do, but you know what? Something's better than nothing, and I want to try to protect myself as much as possible, because I do have kids at home. Because that's what the chicken look like. Gotta focus. I don't wish anything bad on anybody, but majority of those people everywhere that have those negative thoughts is the ones that's usually gonna get it or have it, don't realize they have it, because it takes 10 to 14 days and by that time they've done spread it to all their loved ones, and then when the hits the fan, then they're like, oh man, I should have done something. But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I don't know. I just wish everybody the best. Prayers for the ones that feel as if wearing a mask or trying to be really protective, like dang it, messes with their integrity. I mean, I try to look at it as somewhat like my bulletproof vest, I guess you would say. Because or it messes with people's pride. Because it kind of messed with me at first. It was like I didn't want to wear it, or I thought it was all nonsense that you know, people were making fun of me and all that. But being around it and seeing it and knowing what it can do. My wife's in the medical field, so she's lost some people. I mean, and I mean it's crazy. Everybody knows about it, you know what I mean? But it's just when you hear that people come in for a simple headache and then within a week, you know, pass on or expire is what the professional terminal word is. It's kind of freaking scary, y'all. It's scary regardless, even if you don't know nothing about it. A lot of people say it's because of the Trump election or whatever. I don't know. I don't watch all that. I'm just living life, people. I'm sorry. I'm just living life, trying to take care of mine, my family, you know. That's all. But you know what my motto is? If you woke up this morning, you're blessed, and you're worth it no matter what. So everyone that sees this video, please hit that thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Yeah, just help me out here, yo. I know y'all do y'all's best that y'all can. I know everybody's busy. Everybody's got their own thing going on, but I'm very appreciative. I want to thank everybody for giving me an opportunity to be in your life, you know, and maybe inspire some people that's not having it as well as others. Prayers for all the loved ones out there that's been taken by this virus, you know, taken by these, you know, the loved ones out there. Prayers for the families that's lost loved ones over this, you know, this hate crime, you know, and you know, these protesting and everything that's going on. I'm not against none of it. So, you know, just prayers for everybody, and everybody just try to be as safe as they can, you know. But I appreciate y'all's time. Look, I can't even talk. I appreciate you guys' time. So, thank you. Y'all have a blessed one. Bye-bye.